Warning, the video you are about to watch was edited using ScreenFlow. It may blow your mind. Okay guys, shut out all those distractions and listen up. You see, one of the biggest problems that entrepreneurs face when it comes to video marketing is not what camera to buy, it's not what to say on their videos. It is in fact the E word. Editing. You see, shooting videos is the fun part, but later when you're sat in front of your computer, faced with a blank screen and a ton of footage, you may start to experience what I call edit stress. Well, keep watching this video because I'm about to heal your pain. But before I move on, you need to know why you should listen to me. My background is television. For over 12 years I directed top TV shows for MTV, the BBC and Channel 4 in the UK before I ventured into online marketing and info product creation. As well as editing videos for my own big selling info products, I've spent thousands of hours sat alongside top TV editors and learned a ton from watching the best editors in the world at work. So tell me right now, do you feel like you really want to watch this video right to the end? Great, I knew it was going to be yes. You see, the energy you give your videos through editing has a huge impact on whether your prospects will stick watching your videos right to the end. And the end, my friend, is where the money is. Now, I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs just like you make better marketing videos over the past few years, and I pretty much know inside out what your biggest fears are when it comes to video editing. Number 1, deciding on the right editing software to use without blowing the bank. Number 2, how long and how difficult will it be for you to get to grips with editing your own videos? And number 3, once you have grasped the basics, how can you take your videos up to the next level without going to film school? Well, I have a solution that can help you fix all these 3 fears. Right now, the hottest tool for Macpreneurs who want to edit their own videos at low cost is without a doubt ScreenFlow. But why is that? Well, ScreenFlow gives you a lot of flexibility for video marketing, allowing for screen capture, doing sexy things with text just like this, and making your images come to life, a bit like this. But that's just the start. With recent updates, ScreenFlow is now also an excellent low-cost tool to edit the video footage you shoot. So I'm talking about your face-to-camera opt-in, sales and product videos, customer testimonials, video interviews, training videos, you name it, you can do it all yourself with ScreenFlow. But here's the thing, a lot of you who already own ScreenFlow aren't using it to its full potential. When used creatively, this $99 piece of software can give you thousands of dollars of value. So I guess you can't wait to get started. Let me introduce ScreenFlow Hero. Whether you're a video editing virgin or already using ScreenFlow and want to step it up to the next level, ScreenFlow Hero is tailor-made for you. You'll be able to unlock the full potential of ScreenFlow so you can create crisp screen captures and tutorial videos and wow your audience with stylish opt-in, sales and product videos. I want to be completely clear with you, this is not a huge course with dozens and dozens of videos that you'll never find time to watch. So here's the good news, I can teach you how to edit like a pro in less than 90 minutes. Here's the deal, if you can sit down in a quiet room and focus for just 90 minutes on my training, I can show you how to edit kick-butt videos like a hero. Guaranteed. Imagine how much precious time you'll save being able to watch over my shoulder as I show you step by step how to edit your videos and publish them to the web using ScreenFlow. Inside, you'll learn how to set up your ScreenFlow projects to get the maximum quality, how to quickly get to grips with the interface, how to create crystal clear screen captures, discover the editing process TV pros use, you'll learn the need-to-know shortcuts to speed up your workflow, and how to make talking head videos come to life, how to edit audio, how to make text and images move and be cool at the same time, how to create your own call to action, how to export your videos to the web and keep them looking shiny. Now, apart from everything that I've talked about already, as an added bonus, I've handpicked a selection of my favourite music tracks you can use free in your videos to save you a ton of time looking through music libraries. And the icing on the cake, I'm giving you a set of motion graphics you can easily import into your ScreenFlow projects. modify for your own use, and get smart looking results like this in seconds. So, are you ready to get started? Well, here's the deal. You can get everything I've described inside the exclusive training area for just $97, and that's a one-time fee. Yes, only $97 to make incredible videos that are going to create more buzz around your business, save you a ton of money on editing fees, and boost your profits using video. So if you'd like to jump on board, please just scroll down and click the link below. There's a full money-back guarantee. So I look forward to seeing you inside, and thanks very much for watching this video right to the end.